Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Please all stand for our prayer. In the Father, the Son,
Wala na. Sa pangbitin, wala na.
Angel of God,
My guardian dear, to whom His love comes near. Ever this day be at my side, to light and life, to root and guide.
Amen. Please remain standing for our energizer. Do you know how to say watermelon?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ready?
Sing.
Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, banana, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad. Okay, thank you, please. You may now all be seated. May I know who is absent today?
None, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, now, before anything else, let me remind you of our classroom rules first. Please read everyone.
Raise your hand if you want to speak. Use kind words always. Listen attentively. Ensure cleanliness of the classroom and stay focused and follow directions.
Before anything else, let me introduce myself first. I am your mom, Jackie, your teacher for today. So now, let's have a review first. So what we're going to do is to match the situation to its result and draw a line connect into the correct answer. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Who wants to answer?
Ma'am.
Yes, Pauline.
Number 1, iterate.
Connect.
Two, ma'am.
Yes, Glory.
Oh my God.
Joanna. Number 3. Laika, number 4. Okay, let's check your work. Please read.
Number 1. It rained very hard. The ground became wet and muddy.
Okay. Check. Ano? Number 2.
She forgot to water the plant. The flowers dried up and died.
Okay. Correct. Number 3.
The sun shined brightly. The plant grew tall and green.
Okay. Number 4.
He studied his lesson well. He got high grades in the test.
Okay. Number 5.
She practiced singing every day. The room got warm and bright. She practiced singing every day. She won the contest.
So give yourself 5 claps. Do you want activity class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so our activity title, Call
Know me.
So you will be divided into 2 groups. So this will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. Each group will be given a set of puzzle pieces, and you will work together to arrange the pieces and form the complete picture. Once nga na-complete yun na ang picture ng Miara, that's sa kilid sa this guide question and answer once nga matapos nyo na ang puzzle, that will be so once nga matapos nyo na ang picture kag ang question, answer, amo na siya ang i-declare nga winner. Understand, class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Done na kami, ma'am.
We're done, ma'am.
Okay. Each group, one representative and present in front. Group 2.
So we have a picture of a boy. So the question is, what is the boy wearing? So as you can see, the boy is wearing medal. How do you think the boy feels? He feels happy. That's all.
Okay,
ma'am.
give 5 claps to group 2. 2, 3, 4, 5. Group 1.
So this is our work. So the question is, what is the girl holding? Umbrella. And last, what kind of day is shown in the picture? Sunny, rainy, or cloudy? Raining.
Okay, very good. Give 5 claps to group 1.
4, 5.
Okay, so you want another activity class?
Yes.
So activity title called Watch Me.
Okay, we're gonna watch you, Mom.
So what you're going to do is to identify what is the difference in the pictures. So first picture, what happened to the trees and land in this picture?
Deforestation.
Yes, Glory.
Deforestation.
Tapos, ang mga kahoy na
Okay,
Tapos ang
very
lupa,
good. Yes,
Mando.
Pauline.
Ano pa? Ma'am, doon naman lalo na siya mga...
Nag-dry.
How does this place look compared to a healthy
It
forest?
is very different. Laylay.
Okay, very good. Yes. Laika.
It's very bad. Bad forest and good forest.
Okay, all your answer is correct. Please give yourself 5 claps. What about number two picture? What living things and features do you see in this forest? Yes, Laika.
A trees, a healthy grass, and the sun.
Very good. Yes, Glory.
bird. Ang mga animals, ma'am.
So what living things and features do you see in this forest?
How does this
How
fish?
How does this place show that nature is healthy and alive?
Based on its color, ma'am. Kay green siya, ma'am.
Green sa ma'am, green.
Green.
Yes.
Yes, healthy.
Yes, ma'am.
May sun.
And may mga trees nga buhit. ma'am.
Yes.
Mga living things, ma'am.
Living things. So what do you think happened to the forest in the first picture? Anong tapo siya?
Deforestation.
So sino mga naghihimo na sa
Mga
na
people.
People.
What about the second picture? Anong na-notice
Healthy.
nyo?
It's a healthy environment and
Healthy
nature.
environment and
Nature.
healthy nature.
Yes.
why is it important to know what happened around us? Nga, importante yung mga
Para
kaluan
mabalaan
sa
mo kung ano
palibot.
ang ginhalin.
Yes, Pauline.
Para manaw mo man kung ano ang ginhalinan kag ano ang epekto sa mga situation.
Okay, very good. So, do you have any idea what is our topic today?
I
Ma'am.
Lan, ma'am.
Okay, so our topic is
Identifying cause
cause and effect of events. Okay, so our topic is identifying cause and effect of events. So our learning objectives identify the cause and effect of events in text or situation. Give examples of cause and effect relationships and use them in simple sentences. So what is cause? The reason or why an event happens. It answer why did it happen? Nga natabo na siya.
Yes.
What is effect?
The result or what happened. It answers what happened.
Okay. So, case signal words for cause, because, since, as, due to, for. Effect, so, therefore, as a result, that is why, thus. Example.
The
Sa
cause.
cause, the sun was very hot. Ang
Effect.
effect,
The
the ice cream melted quickly. So the answer is
The ice cream melted quickly because the sun was very hot.
number 2.
Cause. He was very tired. Effect. He fell asleep earlier. He was very tired, so he fell asleep early.
Who wants to give another example?
It rained very hard. Ano sa ma'am effect? Then ang cause si ma'am. Ay, cause ganito ma'am. Then ang effect, the ground become wet and muddy.
Very good. Give 5 claps for Joanna. Who wants to give an example pa? Yes, Pauline.
She studied every day. That's why, so that he got a high score.
Very good. Give 5 claps to Pauline. Gusto niyo pa sa isa pa activity?
Yes, ma'am.
So, activity, identify me. Direction, read each sentence, write C if it is the cause and E if it is the effect. So, since may oral na lang, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Number 1, the plants grew well. What is the answer? Cause or effect? Yes,
C.
Tita. C.
It's a cause.
Yes, very good.
Effect.
The
Plants
plants grow well.
nag-grow well. Ang
Wow,
ilang was
boss.
na yakin ko niya gan.
Very good kayo nakita yung sala. Okay. Number 2.
Farmer watered them every day.
Anong
Cause.
Okay, very good. Number 3.
The boy cried loudly.
Effect.
Effect.
Okay, very good.
He fell from his bike.
Cause.
The room was dark.
Oh, what is the answer?
Effect.
Cause. Cause. Oh, very good. So, what is cause? Yes.
Ang ginhalingan or ano ang ginahilingan sa isa ka situation mo. It answered it.
Why it happened?
Why did it happen?
Yes, ma'am. It answer why did it happen?
Yes, correct. So what is an effect?
It answers what happened.
Okay, very good. So how are they related?
They are related.
Yes, Nika. The cause is the first happened in the situation, and the effect is the outcome of the situation. Yes, very good. So give one example of cause and effect.
Ano ma? Liwat ma?
Give one example of cause and effect. Ma'am, yes.
Cause, ma'am, I study hard last night. Yung effect, I got a perfect score.
Very good. Give 5 claps to Joanna. Okay, since you already know what is cause and effect, we will be having an assessment. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Get 1 port. Come on, port. Yes. One, two, three, four. Give 5 minutes to answer, Kasha. Yes, ma'am.
Dana, ma'am.
Finish. Are you all done na class?
Yes, ma'am.
Pass your paper forward. Thank you. Assignment. Write 2 sentences of your own showing cause and effect. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Pasan was.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood na? Naintindihan ng klase?
Yes, ma'am.
So that would be all. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, ma'am.